Alright guys, today I'm gonna replace my Toyota Tundra 1794 chrome grille to a Toyota Tundra platinum grille. My truck is mesquite brown. I'm gonna switch it to a black grille, front grille from platinum models. I'm gonna have to do this sensor cover swap to this hole right here. And yeah, I did not get the TTR Pro grill because I didn't like how they boasted the Toyota Tundra letter in the front. I didn't like that. If it was up to me, I will just take this Toyota logo out. I just want to be batch free. I don't want to be loyal to no goddamn brand. I want to do my own thing. Yeah, you paid for the truck, it's your truck. You don't have to be loyal to no goddamn brand. Anyways, that's my 2 cents on this topic. So I'm gonna do this replacement, and I also have these Toyota Tundra chrome hood bulge replacement that's also black. Just wanted to go with a little contrasting colors rather than all brown or all black. So let's see how this install goes. And also these grills came from Sparks in these 2 giant boxes. Just took it out from this box, and this is the hood bulge right here. And I'll do the install and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright, step 1. To remove this chrome grill, first thing I need to do is take these 4 screws out, which I did. 1, 2, 3, and this one is still yet to remove. And these 2 tabs I need to take out too. There is one over here. Let me take those out and then I'll make the video again. Now I have to pop this grill out. Let's see how it works. Hopefully I don't have any problem. It's supposed to pull right out. Alright, I was able to pull that chrome grill out of the truck. Next step would be we'll be taking the sensor out from the older grill. Total 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm gonna take this sensor from this grill and I'm gonna try to install it in this one and see how it goes. The most difficult part of this swap is going to be your sensor. Taking the sensor out from the old chrome grill and transferring it to the new grill. In the process, I end up damaging some of the clips that hold the emblem, the front emblem in place. 1, 2, 3 damages, but it kind of stays. That's the most sketchy part of this installation. Everything else is snapped. All the wires just snap in place, just like this one. Everything just snaps in, except taking out the emblem and the sensor thing causes you more problem than anything else. Alright, was able to snap on the new grill for this truck. Snapping on is the easiest part. Taking this grill off and putting the screws back in is the easiest part. And guys, this is what I was talking about. The Toyota emblem. I rather have the small emblem, which I can cover it up later, rather than have this Toyota religious symbol all over this truck. Right now it looks good, and then I'm gonna finish this. I still need to put these screws back on, which are very simple to do. Okay, next step is to put the hood bulge on top of this truck that I did. Easiest install ever. I just need to tighten these screws. I should be done with the install. Alright, the grill install is complete. Chrome grill is gone. The black honeycomb grill is in. Less than an hour install time. That's the overall look. And the next project is to take these chrome bumpers off and replace them with something black. These ones. That's the overall look. Came out great. Super easy install, except this emblem and the sensor part. The truck needs a serious wash. Right, see you later.